This is Mokhari Otelia. I think Earth Science Systems would be best be taught in Palabra. Palabra is my hometown. That's the finest place on earth. Its location is it's situated in Mopani district, Limpopo province in South Africa. It is located near the confluence of Haselati and Oliphants, halfway up along the eastern border of Kruger National Park in the Lowveld. Its geographical coordinates are 23 degrees 57 minutes 0 seconds south, 31 degrees 7 minutes 0 seconds east. Its name originated from the Sotho tribe, which means better than the south. Palabra is located in the middle of Mozambique, Zimbabwe, and Botswana. That is not directly affected by any changes of the oceanic conditions. It is right exactly at the tropical center. Okay, let's look at the climate. The climate in Palabra is warm and temperate, predominantly subtropical. The rain falls mostly in winter with relatively little rain in summer. Palabra is one of the hottest places in Limpopo, with average temperature of 22.1 degrees Celsius and average annual rainfall of 543 millimeters. The highest recorded temperature was 43 degrees Celsius in January 2006. You can imagine how hot that is. The driest month is June, with 4 millimeters for rainfall. In January, the precipitation reaches peak with the average of 104 millimeters. Another thing is that January is the warmest month of the year, with average temperature of 26.1 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, June is the coldest with average temperatures of 17 degrees Celsius. Yesterday, the 2nd of November 2015, Palabra experienced temperature of 41 degrees Celsius. You can imagine how hot that is. And then let's look at the biosphere. The sun is just right there, ready to photosynthesize all kinds of vegetation. Palabra is blessed with scenic beauty and great biodiversity. Due to its rich productivity of fruits and vegetables, it is referred to as Garden of Eden. Tourism and wildlife play a dominant role in the life of this town because of its breathtaking beauty. Its nature. The Sunland Big Baobab in the Mojaji's Kloof, just a few kilometers after Palabra. This tree is famous internationally for being the widest of its species in the world. Nature conservation is practiced in this small town. There's a game reserve called Kruger National Park. Its significance is that we have the Big Five. We have the African elephant, the critically endangered black rhinoceros, we have African lion, we have African leopard. We also have Colophosperma mopani, commonly known as mopani tree, wherein community members harvest mopani worms to eat. We also have Psilocyberia, commonly known as marula tree, wherein community members harvest its fruits to make marula beer and marula jam. Just a few kilometers away from the Kruger National Park, we have Mojaji Nature Reserve, where you can find the wild extinct species of cycad tree. How interesting is that? Okay, let's look at the geology of my hometown. Palabra is located 400 meters above the sea level with gentle topography. The Palabra forms part of the watershed in Letaba and Oliphants rivers. Open cast mining has been introduced in Palabra due to the abundance of copper as well as such precious metals from anode slimes, nickel sulfate, sulfuric acid, magnetite, and vermiculite. The massive open pit mine is Africa's widest man-made hole at almost 2,000 meters wide. You can imagine how wide that is. Fosco's mining division in Palabra mines phosphate rock. Alright, let's look at our culture. Tsonga tribe is the most dominant in Palabra, though we have Sothos and Pedis. Tsongas are the mixture of Shangani, Tongas, and other less significant ethnic groups, sometimes include Toa and Ronga people from Mozambique. In Tsonga culture, boys are sent to initiation school for circumcision in order for them to be regarded as men. One of the major aspects of Tsonga culture is storytelling, which is mainly done by elderly women. As a community, we also need some fun. We have our annual activities, for example, Marula Festival, Hans Mariski, Golf Course, Living Africa, and many more. This is why Earth Science System should be taught in my community, in my hometown, that's Palabra. Thank you.